Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log into Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply access your particular Instagram app that you have installed on your phone. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface. If you have previously simply added in your account, you will find an option to choose. If you haven't, then you will find this kind of, let me tap on this option, then you will find this kind of interface. Here in this username section, go ahead, enter your username, and password section, go ahead, enter your particular password. Once you have done adding in, tap on this login option, and now it's save password, so you don't have to do it again. And once you're done, you will be able to log into your account just like that by adding your username, email, or number, or password. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.